Hi friends, welcome to our channel Easy Learning Lab. I am back again with a new topic, that is view. So friends, let's start. So friends, in SQL we have a concept of view. So basically what is a view? View is a virtual table based on the result set of an SQL statement. Okay friends, this is the broad definitions of view. So friends, why we use views? So you might be wondering why we use views. Views are basically used for like hiding some information from the other user, or views are basically used for like if you are doing sum and just you want to display that sum to the customer or sum to other person, then you can use a view for it. But beside view, the actual query is get executed. Like if you write a view, basically the underlining query is executed when you just give a command select star from that view, the underlining query get fired. So friends, this is the basically a concept of a view and why we use a view. So basically there are two types of views. First one is a simple view, second one is a complex view. So friends, what are simple views? In the simple view, we have only one table in the from clause. Like in the definition in the view definitions, we have only a one table in a simple view. What is a complex view? In a complex view, we can have a more than one tables in the from clause. We have a joining conditions in the where clause. So that is known as a complex view because it has been created with a combination of a 2 plus tables. So that's why it is known as a complex view. Like some columns of A table and some columns of B table we are displaying. So at this scenario we will use a complex view. So the syntax is very simple friends. Create view name as select column name, column 1, column 2 from table name, and where conditions. If there is a where condition, you can write a where condition also. Complex view, the syntax is also very similar to a simple view. Only there are join conditions. Okay. So friends, here I am showing you the simple example of the simple view. So what is it? Create view VM employee as. Why I have written VM? Just to identify that it is a view. Generally, follow some guidelines while creating the views. Like easily you can identify this is a view, this is a table. If you give the table name as an employee and a view name also employee, then we will get a confused same name. So try to put some identification, like for view you use VM or somebody use views. So as per your standard you can use this thing. So make your habit, this will make your life easier. Okay. So the syntax of view is create view name as select columns from table name where department equals to 1. So this is basically a simple view. And what is a complex view? I am doing a sum in the complex view. So you can do this thing also, like sum. Same way in the complex view, you have a join conditions in the complex view. Okay friends. And if you want to drop the view, it's a very simple command. It is a drop view name. The view will be dropped. Basically friends, when you create a view, the underlining query, what is this underlining? Underlining query means this select employee ID, this will get executed. Like it will execute it, just you are executing this select statement, it will execute it. Only the result will be shown in that view. So this is basically a drop command. So you got all the points regarding the views. It's a very simple video and a simple topic. So friends, let's practice this hands-on on this views. Okay. So what I am doing, I am just opening my editor. That is a Oracle free editor we have. So I am opening it. So I'm writing my email ID, my password. So friends, our editor has been opened. Okay. So we try to create a view. For that we need a tables. So I am just creating these two tables and inserting the records like a department and a employer table. Okay. Same tables, same records. I am just okay. Both the tables has been created. Let's check whether these tables have been created or not. First, we will check the department table whether it has been created or not. Select star from DE department. I will just copy it and I will paste it here. So I think department table is created with 4 records. Okay. Next, we will check the employee table whether it has been created or not. From employer table. So I think it has also been created. Yeah, it has been created with 6 records. Okay, friends. Now we will create a view. Okay. First, we will create a view. Okay. So see, according to this view definition, we are creating a employer view as select ID, call code, name. We only use ID, code and name in our views. Okay. So just we create a view. Just we run it and view has been created. Okay. Then just we check what will be the output. So this view contain basically ID, code and name as a column. Okay. So just run this view. So it will contain 6 records. See, 6 records. 1, 2, 3. No, it will not contain 6 records. Why? It contain 1, 2, 4, 5 because we have one department 1, 2, 3, 4. So it contain 4 records. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So what we are doing, we are basically hiding the data. If a person working in the department 1 and he only needs to know that how many employees are working in department 1. So what we are doing, we are hiding the data from that employee. We just give this view name. And he can only see his department employees. So with this, we are hiding the data. Also, we are hiding their salary. He cannot see the salary into it. He only see the name of that employee. So this way, we are hiding the data from other. So this is a one use case of views. Okay. Next, we will create a complex view. In complex view, we have a department table. We need two second table also. So we have a department table. So let's do it. So our second view has been created. And what is the output of this second view? This employee department VM. What columns? E.id, name and department name. Yeah, see, we are getting the records from both the tables. This department name is getting from department table, name is getting from employee table, ID is getting from employee table. This way, this is known as a complex view. So friends, one question arrives whether we can update our views. Yes friends, we can update the view. What this update means? If we update a view, our base table will also get updated. So let's try it. But for updating a base table, only we can do in a simple view, not in a complex view. We cannot do in a complex view. We can do, but there is a different alternative. That is the instance of trigger. You can update a complex view also. But for a time being, just understand there is a method to update a complex view. There is a different method, but for a simple view, it's very simple. You just update how you update the table. Like I am just updating the table. I am just updating that view, and with Manish name changing from Manish to Manish 1. Okay. So first we will check how many records we have. We have currently this record into it. There is a Manish column. I just executed the view definitions, and then I am trying to update this where employee ID is 1. Okay. So what I am doing, I am updating this Manish to Manish 1. So let's check what will happen. One row updated. Okay. Let's again check the definition whether that record has been, our base table has been updated or not. First we will check our view definitions. See, our view definitions are updated, means our base table has also updated. Let's check our base table. What is the base table? Base table is the employee table. So let's check what is the employee table and what is the value of ID 1. It should be Manish 1. So check. See, we have just updated our view, but our base table has also updated. So we can update our records through the view also. Okay. So friends, that's all for this video. So I think you have understand the basic concepts of view and how can we update a view and the base table of that view. So view is basically a very important concept because sometimes in the interview people ask you how to hide the data from the user, or how to get a desired result and only that result should be outputted to the end user. So these are the basic questions which are asked in interview about the views. So friends, thank you friends for watching my video. Keep subscribing me, keep watching my video, and if you have any questions or doubts, you can just mail me or follow me on my Instagram or Twitter. I will try to give answers on it. Thank you friends.